Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I thought I would come on. It's a little dreary out today. It's a little rainy, and I thought maybe I would come on just to make myself feel a little bit better. I thought I'd come on, talk to you guys, and do something that I've never done before. So, what is that? Apply these under the lash lashes. Has anybody ever done this before? I was just curious. And I don't mean have someone do them for you, but have you ever applied these yourself? And let me know your thoughts. Like, do you like them? Do you hate them? But we're about to find out. I have never done this before. So we are going to break it open. So I hope everyone had a fantastic Thanksgiving day. Mine was good. I cooked all day. Well, no, you know what? That's not true. I didn't cook all day. I cooked all day Wednesday. So I made I made most of my sides on Wednesday. So, my mac and cheese, just made up the mixture, put it in the fridge, made up my dressing, got that all together, put it in the fridge, my souffle, fridge. So got all of this stuff prepped and ready. My green beans got, the ends clipped and rinsed and washed and everything. So I was ready to go come Thursday morning. So all I had to do really is just stick the stuff in the oven, and we put our ham in a roaster, and the turkey also went in the roaster. But it was good. We had a good day. It was a relaxing day, but it was really great because, honestly, this time around, what was a little different is the boys actually ate a little bit more of the traditional foods than they normally do. They're real particular when it comes to certain foods, so it's more of a texture thing for them. But anyhow, that's how my Thanksgiving was. And but yes, it was a beautiful Thanksgiving, and I am extremely grateful to God for all the many blessings that He's bestowed upon me, my family, friends, you guys. So yeah. So let's go ahead and get into it. It looks like in this little packet, and now this is not sponsored or anything, but I just picked it up and just wanted to try it. So it looks like it has, let me put my glasses on here. Like a bond and seal. I don't know if you can see that, but I guess this is sort of like the bonding agent. I'm a little nervous because I've never done anything like this before. Oh, and then what's also cool is in this little pack. Good gracious. Look at that. It's all glued together. Good gracious. This is the remover. No, this ain't the glue, and the other stuff is the remover. Good gracious. Those are the two thingies. It came with it. It also comes with these little tweezers, and then it comes with a variety of different lashes. So I think the ones up here, although they look like they might be a strip lash, they're not. Those are just individuals that they put along there. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to maybe go not exactly like they have here. I think I'm going to go a little lighter because I don't really want a bunch of clusters right now. So since I can pick and choose what I want, I'll just kind of go a little sparse since it's just to give it a shot, just to see how it is. Okay, so I think I understand what to do, but I'm praying I won't mess up. All right, so the bond and the seal are 2 in 1. So this is the seal, this is the bond. So we're gonna start with the bond first. So let me make sure, because I don't want to mess my eyes up. Apply a light coat of bond at the base, and then it says avoid getting the bond all the way up to the lash. So I'm going to be careful not to do that. And it says do one section at a time. Apply under the base of your natural lashes, away from the waterline. So basically, this under here is my waterline. So I want to apply them somewhere like around right there at the very edge of the waterline. So let's see. I think what we're going to do before I even start to put anything on my eyes, let's go ahead and decide what we want to do. So I think I'm going to go with, so this is the 10 here. These are 12s, the 14 and the 16. So those are centimeters. You know, pick them up from here. That's the size 14. I'm going to use those on the outer. So I'm going to put her there just so we're ready. So when I put this stuff on, I want to get it on. All right. So let's start on the outer, and we just go here. And then I'm going to take my little 14. I'm going to open my eye, and I'm going to apply her about right there. $14 is on. Let's do maybe another. So that's how I'm grabbing her. Now let's go with a 12. And then I'm going to do one more coat of the bond right here. And then I'm going to do one more. So I did 14 and 10. No, 14, 12. So there is that. So I'm going to go in. And all I'm doing is just pressing those lashes together. Okay, there's that. Then I'm going to use everything falling. We're going to tighten up the bond, and then we're going to go to the seal. And it just said to go right underneath. And I think what this one does, it just keeps it from clumping up. And that's that. Okay, and there she is. All right, so I'm going to do the other one really quick, and then I'll come back on and let you guys see both of them. Okay guys, we did it. Okay, so I'll come in a little closer so you guys can see. No, they're not the best, but I really wanted to just try and see how the process would go. If it was something that would be difficult to do, or if I would have trouble with them actually, sticking, and if I had an issue with putting them on underneath my lashes. This, I'm sorry, it's a game changer. This is what everyone needs to be doing. Instead of trying to line your eyelashes, this is the way to go. So yeah, I'm gonna give it a couple more tries. It was so simple. The process was so easy. I mean, you guys saw how quick I did that in, not even knowing what I was doing. So yes, this is an awesome set. Seamless, and it's really seamless, and they're the underlash extensions. So again, it comes with the bond and the seal in one little tube. It comes with a set of lashes where it already has these kind of put up there for you, but then it comes with the individuals. So what I did was I think I did two 14s, a 12, and a 10. I think that's what I did, something like that. But anyhow, there it is. So I just wanted you guys to see. It's really kind of difficult because my lighting is really starting to fade. This is such a dreary day out today, but it's okay. So, but I just want you guys to see that. Anyhow, I hope you guys have an amazing week, and we will see you in the next one.